You got a new car? Okay, you push on it. You push on it. Okay, push. Push. Push on the car. No. Push on the car. Push on top of the car. Uh-oh. Okay, push on the car, Mila. No, I'll show you. Okay, hold on. Go back on it a little bit. A little bit. Look, and push. Whoa. Okay. Just open the door, Mila. Open the car's door. You know how to open the car's door? Woo. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, open the car's door and then make it go. Pull it back. Whoa. What's happening? Whoa. Nice. Uh-oh. No.